Hey guys, welcome to Research Rocks. Today's video we will see one more product unboxing, and that one, no, this is an Insta360. I just purchased 1 month ago and its outstanding features. Some of the videos available on video description. So today's video I will provide you one more product unboxing, and that one is a Insta360 extra external battery, and where I am purchasing, what is the price, we will see detailed demonstration. Here question come, why I am purchasing extra batteries? Because of, if you are purchase Insta360 and just only 1800 ampere power battery we are receiving, and using this battery you can record almost 45 to 55 minutes video frame. And nowadays I'm traveling here in Europe, and that point of view I'm not able to charge here always, so I order extra 2 battery from Amazon, and we will see unboxing of this battery as well as external connector also. So let's check it out. So I'm purchasing this battery from Amazon, located around here, Copenhagen, Denmark, and the shipment comes in Hamburg, Germany. So this is a made in China. I'm purchasing this one 45 euro. I already added the link in video description also. In 45 euro I am receiving 2 batteries and 1 charging adapter. Using this one I can charge at a time 3 batteries. So we will see one by one. So battery 1, battery 2, and this one is a charging adapter. And the charging adapter, important point, plus point come here. This one is a C port, and as well as different types of ports also available, but I am just specially purchased this one because of I have in MacBook charger. So using this adapter I can charge entire product of my even MacBook except my iPhone, but other product. So this one is also C port cable is available, so I use always in MacBook C type charging adapter, and I charge my entire product. So that point of view, this is they are providing C and D type cable. So if I'm happy with, they are providing me C to C cable, but this is a D and C type cable, so this is not workable for me. You can use this charging like this, 1, 2, and this is very strong, not like this. And we can put it here, this battery also, and start the charge. Look at this here, the 3 batteries are not fully, if now is red light is going on, after complete fully charging is going on, so green light is coming here. So we can just put it here at a time 3 batteries and charge very easily. And then after I can record like a 3 hours video recording continuously. So entire day 3 hours I can capture some of the frame, like this particular location, that location, that location, and enough power for me. And evening time I can charge at a time 3 batteries using this adapter. That one is really amazing. And what is the price of this one? 45 euro. I'm purchasing this one from Amazon. Look at this, this is the Amazon portal. I'm purchasing this one, original price is a 50, but they are providing me some of the discount, and I'm paying 45 euro including 2 batteries and the charging adapter. That's it. It is very simple unboxing of Insta360 power adapter, and that one is really good and comfortable for the traveling point of view. If you have any question, you can comment me. Before leaving, please share and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.